Afternoon. Hope you're doing well. We come up to a Monday evening vlog at the ranch, Farm 101, with your host, Dave here. We've come up to a strange day. Strange because my little puppy dog is always following me around. As soon as I arrived at the ranch, he started following me around. I went over to eat my dinner, threw him a couple of bones, and he ate them, and then she ate them, and then she disappeared. She's always around me. Every time I move around, she's always with me. Dog right here. That one always hangs around here at the shop area. The other one always hangs around with me. Wherever I go. If I go to the lake, she goes with me. If I go into the field, she goes with me. Now, she's gone. From one minute to another, I stopped seeing her. I was like, wait a minute. Where's she at? So I still went back a couple of times. And usually my code for her to come and eat is when I honk. She didn't come back anymore. Kind of awkward. Went over to the field. The cottons are doing fine. They're getting almost ready to pick already. Starting to turn white into the cotton. The leaves are starting to turn red. Excuse me. The leaves are starting to turn a little bit more. Accelerate for it to dry up quicker. And, what we don't want is for it to rain. And right now, the way we see it is a tropical storm. That's over by the Florida Peninsula. And then now we're looking at a tropical storm forming somewhere in the Caribbean that might have a direct impact to the Rio Grande Valley, maybe even Corpus Christi area. But still, history has served that if it does hit Corpus Christi, it'll start hitting us over here in Austin. It's very rare if it'll take a sudden direct towards the east, turn towards the east, unless there's a upper level low behind it. Then that's when something like that might happen. Then the Weather Channel says that there's one coming off the coast of Africa, but that's weeks away. I'm not worried about that one there. The only one I'm worried about is the one that's in the Caribbean. It's got the same characteristics as one that I remember that it used to be an F5 hurricane. Hurricane Gilbert back in 1988. Hit a small town in the coast of Mexico called San Fernando. Killed and displaced thousands of people. Of course, that one was an F5 hurricane. We've been lucky that we've had only a Category 1 Hurricane Hannah, which was last year, back in July the 26th is what I believe it was 26th. It might have been sometime earlier. And the only reason I remember is because I caught COVID July the 2nd. Precisely, I had to sit at home and wait it out. And then I got sick, so I went to the hospital and stood there and got into a ventilator for about a week. Came back out, stayed at home another 2 more weeks. And when I was given the green light, it was precisely the day Hurricane Hannah was hitting the valley area. And I was here in the valley. I was down there in the valley because my parents and most of my relatives live over there. But there's really nothing other than that I'm missing. I doubt if she got run over, although she likes chasing vehicles, but I would have seen her dead body or her dead carcass somewhere around there close by. Unless somebody stopped and picked her up and stole her. But who would want to steal a ranch dog? She was very... she wouldn't get close to strangers, I can tell you that right now, but I don't know. I hope this when it's not helping, I hope it's not bothering the microphone. I hope my voice is coming out clearly. I would hate to start using the road mic because I would have to start buying some extensions. I want to pay it off completely before I can make another purchase. But anyways, that's all I have for today. I want to give a special thanks to Edelyn Barrows. She's from the Philippines. She lives in Cebu, Philippines. Seaside Mall, is that? It's pretty close to there. Wonderful young lady. Hopefully I can make her my wife someday. We've hit it off pretty good. Other than that, we're hoping and praying that maybe the Filipino president, Rodrigo Duarte, would open up the border so that us American tourists can go and visit our loved ones and go visit one of the most beautiful countries there are in the world. And believe me, I've been all over the world, and although the Philippines might be considered a lot of poverty, they got beautiful land, beautiful landscapes, beautiful beaches, beautiful oceans, and the people there are very, very beautiful. They're very nice people. Anyways, by ending this video, you all maintain your social distancing. There's a Delta variant going on out there somewhere. I've been vaccinated. I'm fully vaccinated, but a lot of people are not fully vaccinated and they're getting sick. So let's pray for the fast recovery and stay close to your family. Stay close together. As I said again, maintain that social distancing, and God bless everyone. So, to the next vlog, I'll see you around.